Mr. Bex is a very famous YouTuber. He makes big videos. He has many fans. But there is one secret. Mr. Bex cannot speak English well. He wants to talk to people from many countries. But the words feel heavy in his mouth. He feels shy. One night, Mr. Bex sits alone in his studio. The lights are off. He looks at the screen and sighs. I have big dreams, he says. But my English is small. The next day, Mr. Bex finds a small school. Inside, a simple sign says, English is not talent. English is practice. He starts with one sentence. Hello, my name is Mr. Bex. He says it again, and again, and again. Some days are hard. Some days he makes many mistakes. But he does not stop. Every day he listens. Every day he reads. Every day he speaks. Slowly something changes. One day Mr. Bex stands on a big stage. Many people are watching. He takes a deep breath and says, Hello, everyone. I am very happy to be here today. The room becomes quiet. Then people start to clap. Mr. Bex smiles. He understands something important. Big success comes from small steps. And English grows with practice. And from that day, Mr. Bex is not afraid anymore.